Hey friends, if you wish to open local files on Chrome, Firefox or Edge, then please watch this video. Now whether it makes sense or not is a different thing, but you can literally open any file on your browser. Let me show you. Let us say I wish to open VLC player on my browser. Does it make sense? No, but we still can. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Delete anything in the field. Bring it here. There will be a path between the apostrophes. Copy this path, go to any browser, paste it here, hit enter, and let's see. You're getting this option for VLC as a download because it tried accessing it. Click on it and VLC will open on your system as a desktop app, but initially the browser tried opening it. So when is this option useful? It is useful for opening text files. That is the best use. It is used for opening text files or notepad files or wordpad files or PDFs. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.